In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to replace the drum unit and reset the drum counter so your printer recognizes the new one. The whole process just takes a few minutes and you'll save a bunch of money by doing it yourself. Just follow along step by step and you'll have a fresh drum installed and your printer running like a new. Let's get started.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Make sure your Brother MFC-L2700DW is turned on. Now, open the front cover of the printer. Pull the toner cartridge and drum unit assembly straight out towards you until it's completely removed from the printer. Look for the green lock lever on the drum unit. Press it down to release the toner cartridge from the old drum. Unpack your new drum unit and insert the toner cartridge into it until you hear and feel it click into place securely. Find the Corona wire tab on the new drum and slide it from left to right several times to clean the Corona wire properly. After sliding the tab, return to its home position. Slide the complete toner and drum assembly back into the printer and close the front cover gently. Now that the new drum is installed, we need to reset the drum counter so your printer recognizes it. Open the front cover of your printer again. On your printer's control panel, press and hold the OK button for about 2 seconds until a menu appears on the display. When the Replace Drum message appears with yes or no options, press the 1 button on the control panel to select yes. Finally, close the front cover of the printer, and that's it. Your Brother MFC-L2700DW drum reset is now complete.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.